Start recording. Stop recording.
Hello,
Button.
everybody. Start, stop, stop, start. So, hope you're all doing well and you're staying happy and creative. So, what am I showing you here? Some of you might have already seen these on my other social media platforms. But what we have here is a bowl and a platter. And I've been experimenting again with form and colour, etc. So what we have here, they are both identical woods, identical blanks almost. So what they are, and some of you are going to be absolutely mortified, but stick with it. So this is almost like a faded graffiti thing, and I've called this Anarchy because of like the faded graffiti colour scheme, but the fact that it's a piece of you. And I know a lot of people are going to go, how dare you colour you? Well, why not? If I don't have fun, what's the point? So there's that. And Nicola said she really loves that. And this is a piece of you as well. And I have done almost, well, Nicola said it's a bit psychedelic, but, you know, having fun with the Merlin 2 from King Arthur's Tools. And this is a sort of like a plum and stone colour. And it feels a bit snake skinny, but Nicola says it's a bit psychedelic as well. And so, yeah, I turned a platter, and I think she was sort of like being drawn in and feeling a bit with it. So there are a couple of pieces I've done recently. So, yeah, always having lots of fun in the workshop, folks. Have a great weekend. Bye.
Stop recording.